shoppers. I'm going to do an unboxing of a kayak hoist that I bought. Now this one here is made by Bike Lane. Let's open up the box and see what we got inside here. It ships directly from the company in this box. Everything is really nicely packaged. Here is your instruction manual right here, and on the back it details all the different parts that you're going to get inside of the box. Now this is the heavy-duty harness system that you're going to use to hang your kayak with. This here is the rope that you use to hang it from with the pulley system. And here are all the parts for the pulley system that you would install in, say, the roof of your garage. Powder-coated steel parts with a rust-resistant spray finish as well. You get all of the hardware in a nice little bag right here. Now these are the hooks and pulleys that you're going to be using to hold your kayak, your canoe. You can use them for a bicycle. Heck, you can even use this to store ladders on. As well, you see that these hooks have hinges here, so you can spread out how far apart they are for whatever it is that you need. And here's one more piece of the pulley system that attaches onto the roof where you are going to store this. I have all the parts out of the box. It's ideal for keeping your personal watercrafts up out of the way in the wintertime or when you are not using them. You are significantly reducing the chance that they are going to get damaged and that they will be definitely ready for you to go the next time you need it. Now the hoist is a pulley system with a safety locking mechanism, which makes it really easy for you to lift and store your equipment. This is rated for 125 pounds. That should serve for any of the personal watercraft that you have at home and give it a nice, sturdy, secure place to store them up and out of the way. Now it's designed with dual bike hooks, which is really nice, and the bike hooks have a rubber coating on them so that they're not going to scratch whatever it is that they come in contact with. You can use this kayak storage rack for your paddleboard, for your canoe, for your ladder, for your bicycle, for your wakeboard. You can even put your surfboard on here, and because of the way it's designed with this nice rubberized coating, it is not going to scratch your hardware. Now the installation is relatively easy. You can put it on ceilings up to 12 feet high, and you have to mount it on 2x4s. When you're mounting it, it has to be screwed into something sturdy. You can't just put it into any old place in the wall. It actually has to be screwed into studs, 2x4s to the joist or mounted right to the joist itself. You have to make sure so that it has enough of a beam with substance to hold it and support the weight of not only the pulley system, but also your personal watercraft that you are storing. This is what you get out of the box with a Kayak Hoist by Bike Lane. I'm really looking forward to getting my canoe up out of the snow and into the rafters of the garage. I'll do an installation video, but from what I can see right here, the materials are quality. It was well packaged when it came from the manufacturer. The instruction booklet in here looks pretty easy to follow. Nice pictures, labeled well, and a set of instructions. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a family favorite at my house.